It's back from awesome video.
Today we're doing unsatisfying noise.
And if you can actually watch this video throughout without pausing and skipping,
Then
you're a legend.
yeah, and to prove that you made it to the end without skipping a second, subscribe so we know.
And share.
Yeah, and share.
And like.
Yeah, and like. So guys, unsatisfying noises is really gross noises. If you click off, then you didn't make it to the end, which is bad.
If you made it past the video,
Without really weird noises that we had fun making.
actually, I don't think you can stand any of our videos.
Yeah.
But bye, guys. You guys are all legends.
Yeah.